I'm Donna Willette, Director of Business Development for Triple S. I'm really looking forward to meeting you at the Cleaning Festival, February to April 2023. Please come visit our booth to learn more about the premier Triple S brand, available exclusively through Gem Supply. Learn how Gem and Triple S can support your efforts to develop and implement comprehensive cleaning, disinfection, and infection control programs that are practical, realistic, and economically efficient. Sounds a little boring, but we'll help you. We'll give you a clear set of protocols that are based on best practices. Do you have comprehensive training programs? Do you have a quality plan? And are you performing regular inspections to ensure your standards are being met? We will share these tools and more when you come visit us in sunny Florida.